Si Ichi, alam ko.
What?
I wish for
Protein.
1 million kilos of protein.
1 million protein. Ano?
Yun nga, 1 million
Request
kilos.
na request niya
What?
Big Brother ng protein. Ay, protein. Protein, please.
Isang drum ng
Protein. Ang drum na protein. Grabe yung parang sige, maubos mo yung 1 drum of protein.
How long will that take you? Half a year? One drum? Depends on how big the drum is.
No, as in water tank.
A water tank? Wow! You're set for life, man.
Yun
But
na
protein
yung,
expires.
Paligo mo. Imagine. Yun na yung tubig mo protein.
Man. So, Soy, are you still hungry? Huh? Soy? Gutom ka pa? Gutom ka? Gutom ka pa?
Go for it. Yeah.
Supposed to impress me?
Look on me.
Every nuclear weapon went off in the world right now. The whole world would be destroyed.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. I wish to be a big winner. Pwede ba yun?
Pwede.
Something that's possible. Not something that can change.
Possible though,
No, something that can't change people's votes for outside.
I wish to have mind control.
I wish to be in the top 4.
Wala ka din.
And I wish the big night is soon. Like next week. I think hindi pwede yun.
Yeah. Bukas na. Nuksan na, bigit. Anong burn ng finger mo?
Thing. I went, shh, and I was like, cool.
Alam mo yung you click it while it's there's a paper.
Later with his sound effects.
Cool.
Perfect. Especially around flammable.
Okay,
Anong difference ng flammable and inflammable?
Flammable and flammable.
Inflammable.
Inflammable.
Flammable, but you can light it up.
Yeah.
Inflammable.
there is
Ba?
no difference.
It's exactly the same.
Yeah.
It's inflammable. Oh yeah, it's inflammable.
That's why I was like, is that a
It's
trick
exactly the same.
question?
Wait, when you burn, you put it in cold water? Or?
No, you're not supposed to.
Dang it. Why, what happens?
It
Blister.
blisters easier.
Toothpaste?
Toothpaste is better. Or
Yeah.
vinegar.
Toyo.
Tayo ni tisoy. Salt. Tayo ni tisoy. Okay, yung gagawin.
Hindi po may edible sa tisoy.
You wish din daw si and protein shake. Life.
Ganyan.
I wish to own all the branches of the gyms in the world.
I wish for... Sample ni Utol is, wish ko para sa sarili ko ay ipagmana ni Kuya yung bahay niya sa akin. Tapos, ano yung wish niya? Yung second wish ko para sa...
Actually feels kind of good.
Sa loved one.
Para sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, ay mamahalin din nila ako.
Talaga?